Hi everyone, today I want to show you the best Esim application for Slovakia, and let me show you how easy it is to use. So just simply click on link in the description of the video and you will be redirected to Play Store. Here you just click on open. And previously you need to download this app, and you need to sign in. Make sure that you are signed in with the link in the description, because this is how you will get your $7.5 bonuses, which is crazy a lot. Click on Esim shop here and find Slovakia. Here it is, and now you can choose the best offer for you. I will choose 1 gigabyte for 7 days and choose how much bonus points you want to spend. As you can see, it's even bigger than half of the price, which is crazy a lot. Click on add a new card, and now you need to add your payment information. Once you've done that, you're ready to go, and that's it. With excellent coverage, competitive prices, and huge welcome bonus, you will definitely like this app, so be sure to try it out. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.